Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 6R, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Nubia smartphone. Begin with opening Play Store. Now you need to click on the search bar and type in DevCheck, like that. Following that, you need to get this free app from this developer, Flare2, DevCheck Device and System Info, and when it's ready, open it. Now, thanks to this awesome app, you can find all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!